Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right sponge. Dense cellulose or craft foam works best because it holds shape while releasing material. Once chosen, trim edges to a basic silhouette so you can carve freeform details later. Use scissors or a blade carefully. Make your medium slightly thinner, about 0.5 to 1% less viscosity, so it spreads without pooling. Prepare your workspace with a protected surface, water, and a towel. This lets you experiment immediately and keeps mistakes manageable. Now you move into carving and testing. Make controlled subtractive cuts with a sharp knife to create grooves, not deep holes. These guide the pattern. Once carved, dip the sponge lightly and blot 1/4 to 1/2 on a palette or paper towel to avoid excess. Test on scrap material to see how pressure affects output. Soft pressure yields texture and modeling, while firmer pressure gives bolder continuous marks. Make adjustments. Repeat carving small tweaks until the marks match your vision. Finish by working in passes. Apply thin layers and let each layer semi-dry so you build depth without drips. You should clean or switch sponges between colors, rinse, squeeze, and reshape, so hues stay clear and detail remains crisp. If you encounter blotching or uneven release, make sure to thin the medium a touch and retest. Sometimes slight thinning or an extra blot on the palette fixes it. Finally, seal when fully dry to preserve the freeform texture and pattern you created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.